Welcome back to my channel. You want to speak English fluently, but every time you try, your mind just goes blank. You know the words, you know the grammar, but when it's time to speak, everything freezes. Sounds familiar? Don't worry. You are not alone. Most people try to learn English in the wrong order. But today, I'm going to show you the real, step-by-step way to learn English easily, naturally, and confidently. No boring grammar books, no complicated methods, just pure results. So let's begin. Step-by-step learning English. Step 1. Listen before you speak. Think about how children learn their first language. They don't study grammar, they listen first. You have to do the same. Start listening to English daily for at least 20 minutes. Watch English YouTube videos, listen to podcasts, songs, or even short movie clips. Don't worry if you don't understand everything at first. Your brain needs time to adjust to the sound, rhythm, and flow of English. When you listen repeatedly, your brain starts recognizing words automatically. Pick one short video daily, listen with subtitles once, and then without subtitles. Try repeating some lines. This builds pronunciation and confidence. Listening is your foundation. Step 2. Build your vocabulary smartly. Don't just memorize random words like a robot. Learn words through phrases. For example, instead of memorizing the word excited, learn how it's used. Say, I'm excited for the weekend, or she looks excited about her results. When you learn phrases, you automatically learn grammar, tone, and usage together. Keep a small notebook and write 5 new phrases every day. Repeat them aloud. Use them in sentences while speaking or writing. Slowly, your brain will start using these phrases naturally. Step 3. Understand grammar, but don't get trapped by it. Grammar is like salt in food, necessary, but too much ruins everything. Learn one small rule each day. For example, today, learn the present tense. Make simple sentences. I eat breakfast. She works hard. They play football. Tomorrow, learn past tense. I ate breakfast. She worked hard. They played football. Grammar should serve you, not scare you. Don't try to memorize all rules at once. Use them practically in daily conversation. The more you use, the more natural it becomes. Step 4. Speak every single day. You can't learn swimming by watching videos. You have to jump in the water. The same goes for English. Start speaking. Even if you speak wrong, speak anyway. Talk to yourself in English. Describe your actions. Say, I'm making tea. I'm cleaning my room. I'm going to college. When you talk to yourself, you build the habit of thinking in English. You can also record your voice daily. Speak about any topic for 1 minute, your favorite food, movie, or a recent day. Listen to your recording. Notice your mistakes and try again. Slowly, your voice will sound smoother, more confident, and more natural. Step 5. Read to improve fluency. Reading trains your brain to understand sentence patterns and vocabulary in context. Start with easy materials, children's stories, short articles, or simple blogs. Read one paragraph slowly, find new words, understand their meaning, and read again aloud. Reading aloud also improves pronunciation. If you want free resources, search for News in Levels or British Council Learn English. These websites give simple, short stories that help you grow step by step. The more you read, the more fluent you become without even realizing it. Step 6. Write daily to sharpen your brain. Writing helps you express your thoughts clearly in English. Don't think you need to write essays. Start small. Write about your day. Write your goals. Write what you learned today. Even 5 lines are enough. For example, today I listened to an English podcast. I learned new phrases. I felt good while speaking. Writing helps you see where you are making mistakes and which words you are missing. You can check your writing with tools like Grammarly or ChatGPT. Over time, your grammar, vocabulary, and sentence flow will improve automatically. Step 7. Make English a part of your life. Change your phone, YouTube, and Netflix language to English. Surround yourself with the language. When you think something in your native language, quickly translate it in your mind to English. For example, if you think, मैं थोड़ा busy हूँ, immediately think, I'm a bit busy. These small changes create massive improvement over time. Watch one English video daily, not to study, but just to enjoy. Listen to how people speak, how they connect words, and how they express emotions. The more English you absorb, the more natural it becomes. Remember, learning English is not a one-day job. It's like learning to play an instrument. The more you practice, the smoother you get. Even 15 minutes daily can make a huge difference. Don't rush. Focus on consistency. Let's quickly recap the 7 steps. Step 1. Listen every day. Step 2. Learn phrases, not just words. Step 3. Practice grammar in small doses. Step 4. Speak daily, even if you make mistakes. Step 5. Read simple English stories. Step 6. Write short notes about your day. Step 7. Live in English, make it part of your world. If you follow these steps for 90 days, your English will transform. You'll start understanding movies, thinking faster, and speaking with confidence. Don't compare yourself to others. Everyone learns at a different pace. The key is to keep going, step by step. Learning English isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every small step counts. The more you listen, the more you speak. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Don't wait for the perfect moment, start today. Tell yourself, I can learn English. I just need the right steps. And now, you have them. So tell me in the comments, which step are you going to start with today? Are you going to listen more, speak more, or write more? If this video helped you, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy English learning videos. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. You just have to take the first step. This is your journey. This is your time. Keep learning, keep practicing, and one day soon, you'll speak English so confidently that people will ask, how did you do it? And you'll say, step by step. For more video, like, share and subscribe. We will meet in next video. Till then, keep shining.